Hello guys, so I have bathed and moisturized my body. Now I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with my favorite facial oil by African Extracts. And then I'm going to go into protecting my face from the sun rays using my Demelan Sunscreen Face Lotion in SPF 50. So when I know that I'm gonna go out, I usually prep my face using translucent powder in my T-zone area so that my makeup stays set and in place for the whole night. Because I don't know about you guys, but I think touching up when you're out is a bit of an inconvenience. I am also going to prime my eye area so that my eyeshadow and my eyebrows stay intact for the whole night. Because guys, I mean, oiliness is not a real thing here. Not. So the product is not filling in the way that I'd like it to fill in because I didn't wait for my primer to set, and now I'm gonna have to wait. Alright, back to getting ready guys. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to base my eyelids with a primer so that they can be ready for some eyeshadow action. Because I'm going for a casual look, I want to create a simple smoky brown eye, and right about now I am going in with my transitions shade in my crease and just above my crease in a copper brown shade. Okay, just my 2 cents on this brown shade from the Sleek Divine Storm palette. I think I like this shade because although it may look like it has a grey undertone on the palette on camera, once you apply the product, it kind of can pass off as a dupe for Max Embark. So I think I love this shade. Well, because this is a really simple smoky eye, I just want to be a little bit extra and throw in an extra long cat eye, because I really love extra long cat eyes. I feel like they elongate the eyes and just accentuate the eyelids. I do have a simpler method on how I do my wing liner, but right now I'm trying to wing it and ain't nobody got time to be doing methods right now because I need to get out of the house. But comment down below if you feel like you would like a simple tutorial on how I usually do my wing liner. I literally just found this in my makeup box and naturally I got curious. Let's see. Nah, a bit alien like, but it's done, so on to the next step really. So moving on to my under eye, I'm going to use this shade from my Huda palette, and I'm gonna put all the products that I've used thus far in the description bar below in case you have missed something, or even I have missed something. So cleaning under my wing liner always helps me get a much more precise wing liner. I am currently cleaning around the wing liner with a concealer. And moving on to face. These are my current go-to concealers usually when I go out, because when I go out I am looking for full coverage. So I'm going to start with my MAC's concealer because it's got a orange undertone and I am trying to neutralize my dark spots around my cheek area. Under eye area, I'm going to use LA Girl's concealer in the shade of Fawn so that my eyes can appear awake and bright. So I decided to do a little bit of highlighting And then I'm going to cover my lips in a concealer just to neutralize the color on my lips, just to prep my lips for lipstick. Purely because I think that a lipstick lasts longer when you prep your lips first with a concealer. And then I'm gonna blend my concealer so that I get rid of all the harsh lines. Alright, for foundation I'm going to use my MAC Face and Body foundation because I've already done all that concealing. I just don't want it to be too cakey. What I want is I'd like for good coverage and of course flawlessness. There is something that I've noticed about this Face and Body foundation from MAC. It has a watery consistency. However, if you are looking for a medium coverage, what you can do is you can just place it on your skin and then move on to other areas, and then come back after a few seconds or a minute and the consistency will have thickened or have changed to like give you a medium coverage. Like, I'm just sitting here wondering what we did with our lives before highlighting or strobing. Like, I can't even begin to imagine. I don't normally go over my face with powder, but I feel like this foundation is oily, and to be honest, not really my favorite foundation. No, it always has to happen. It always. Alright, I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Chestnut, and my lipstick will be in Twig by MAC. So I'm done with my makeup, so I'm just gonna do a little face audit, and then I'm gonna go look for my outfit, and then hopefully I'll be good to go soon enough. And now for my final touch-ups, I'm going to add a bit of a glow. So I'm going to go in with my EAD serum, which is also a tea tree oil, and I'm also going to use coconut oil just to add that zing on my skin. In terms of my hair, I'm gonna go for a messy, effortless look. So I'm just gonna brush my hair around and mess it around because I feel like it's gonna go with my casual look. And I was running out of time. And it's just about time to leave the house now. That is me getting ready for lunch with friends. Just casual outing, maybe drinks later on, we'll see. And a thumbs up if you like my get ready with me video. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you've got any comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.